Product description: this miracle product does it all. Our #1 seller uses microdermabrasion technology to brighten and exfoliate your skin gently to provide instant results. Within 1 week, you will notice visibly softer, smoother, and radiant skin. This formula is enriched with papaya, professional microcrystals, and aloe vera for a triple action power that rivals a day at the spa. The best part? You're going to love the results after just 1 use. Sensitive skin? No problem. Powerful enough to penetrate deep into your pores, yet gentle enough for all skin types, whether you have normal, oily, dry, or sensitive skin. It helps with it all: fine lines, wrinkles, scarring, dark spots, acne, dull skin, and large pores. That's the amazing value of our exfoliating scrub. Premium quality. This product is proudly made in Canada. It is not tested on animals, vegan-friendly, gluten-free, 99% natural, paraben-free, sulfate-free. Effective triple action formula. 1. Papaya enzymes break down dead skin cells so it is easy to remove, and helps to smooth your skin's surface, uncovering a healthy glow. 2. Dermatologist-grade Microderm Crystals are the same as those used by dermatologists, no plastic beads, which gives you the exfoliation of a microdermabrasion treatment at home. 3. Aloe vera, coconut, panthenol along with a mild cleansing gel allows for powerful yet gentle cleansing and soothing action. Our #1 seller online, with close to 200,000 positive customer reviews all over the web. Find out what everyone's raving about. Get bright, beautiful skin instantly. Customers notice results after just 1 use. Suitable for all skin types, our triple action powerful treatment scrub gives you brightening, exfoliating, and cleansing with results that mimic professional microdermabrasion without the potential for redness, irritation, or sensitivity. Immediate results: dulling skin, fine lines, acne, or scarring have you feeling less than your best. Our face exfoliator provides instant results, revealing visibly smoother, brighter, glowing skin after just 1 use. Miracle product, an amazing value for an anti-aging treatment with active ingredients, including papaya and aloe vera, that will last you at least 4 to 6 months. It's 99% natural, 100% paraben-free, gluten-free, 100% vegan, no animal-derived ingredients, cruelty-free, no plastic beads. Made in Canada, we take pride in the high quality of our cosmetic products, which are all manufactured in Canada. While other competitors outsource their products overseas, we stand firm behind our commitment to Canadian-made products. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.